Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a sweet corn and blueberry ice cream, and this is a no churn ice cream, so you do not need an ice cream maker. For anyone who's new to my channel, my name is Skyler Bouchard and I am a chef and TV host. I used to be a restaurant reviewer and home cooking stole my heart, so my goal is to help you guys have fun in the kitchen and to provide you with flavorful and easy recipes. And this ice cream is definitely one of them. I buy ice cream every week, multiple pints. Like I'm talking, I probably spend, I don't even want to tell you how much I spend. I spend a lot of money on ice cream every week, and there's one flavor of ice cream I cannot find anywhere. I love it dearly and I wanted to find a way to make it. And I'm so shocked at how this came out. So that flavor is cereal milk or sweet corn. Usually they are very similar. Cereal milk ice creams usually have a corn flaky taste to it, which is that sweet corn flavor that we know and love. The sweet corn ice cream is going to have more of a corn essence and less of a grainy cereal essence to it. All in all, they taste so similar. So if you're freaked out by the idea of corn and ice cream, just try this and then let me know how you feel. If you like cereal milk, if you like corn flakes, you're going to love this, I promise you. So how are we gonna make a no churn ice cream? It all starts with the dairy. There's a lot of fat here because we don't want ice crystals forming. Usually you churn the ice cream to prevent the ice crystals from forming, and we're not doing that, right? So we're using sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, and cream cheese. So just get ready for a really fattening ride here, but you know, it's ice cream. No ice cream is good for you unless it's like those 0-calorie ice creams, which don't count. And then we're gonna add some blueberries on top. You can make a blueberry compote, or I've tried both. You can just throw some blueberries on there and just add a little water to give it a tie-dye effect. Either way, the flavor is going to be there, and I think this combination is unbeatable, unstoppable, and extremely summery and tasty, and you're going to love it. I do want to tell you guys, you have two options here. You can just steep the corn in the milk and strain the milk and use that milk, or you can do what I'm going to show you, which is steep the corn and then also grind the corn up in the cream, and then make sure you strain all of the bits out. I prefer grinding it up because you get a lot of that yellow, light yellow, buttery color, and it's really pretty and natural, and it just looks great, and it adds, I would say, a lot more flavor. However, you could just steep your corn and make this easier if you don't have a blender, and you're still gonna get that subtle corn flavor. This is the Bird's Eye corn on the cob. It is a sweet mini corn on the cob. So what a mini corn on the cob is, it's one corn on the cob cut into thirds. So if you're using fresh corn or a whole piece of corn, cut it into thirds and you're good to go. So I'll take about 3 of these and some heavy cream, and we're gonna go to the stove. Come on. Make sure you're keeping an eye on that milk. Look at all that juice just flying everywhere. Okay, now let's just grab these. I mean, here I am. I've finished it from here. I've got some of the bowl left. This ice cream is one of the most dangerous recipes I've ever made. Just because, like, I know what's going into this. It is so creamy, and it's one of my favorite flavor combinations. So for me, it's really addicting. It's shocking. It is buttery. It tastes like a sweet piece of corn in a great way, like cereal milk kind of way. Then you've got this blueberry touch. It's like a popsicle covered in creamy, buttery ice cream. Oh my God. Whoa. Please come over now and take this away. It's so good. It's so addicting. I really think this would go well at a lot of summer parties. Just serve one scoop and just hand it out, and people are gonna want more. So always have more on hand, but this is so good. Okay, no more. This is an indulgent treat, but I really think it's so delicious. If you wanna make it this way, or if you wanna make it the traditional way, I really think this sweet corn cream is so cool that you can just steep corn in cream or milk and just develop that amazing flavor. So this is definitely the ice cream treat of the summer that you can make at home. And if you do, let me know. My Instagram is Dining with Skyler. You can also find the written recipe in the description box, which is on my site with Skyler.com. And always feel free to ask me any questions in the comments or in DM, wherever you want to reach me. I am here for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.